subscribers. Turn that into 9,000. Nah, I'm just playing. Let's take baby steps. Work towards 500 first. We're gonna try to go out towards the beach and work a couple swim baits early morning, and then shoot over to a little spot and catch some snapper. Try to do a little catch and cook for a little dinski. So y'all stay tuned. Just a friendly reminder, guys, if any of you guys are thinking about doing YouTube or starting videos and you don't know where to start, subscribe to this channel, because I'm right there with you. Plan on showing you guys how I go about catching my fish, cooking my fish, how I make my videos, how I edit my videos, and get better in the process. So if you're thinking about it and you're nervous or whatever, just follow me, and I'm right there with you. Although the weather is kind of chilly out this morning, it's definitely gonna be a nice day. Water's still warm, so that's how you know this was like a surprise cold front. The water ain't got cold yet, so the fish are probably still out there. They might be moving a little slow, but who knows? Water's warm, it's chilly outside, sun should pop out in about an hour. We'll see what happens. It is so cold outside right now, but it's like I can't complain because all I do is complain when it's hot. So I'm just gonna enjoy this. It's crazy, it's windy, but the water's not like super choppy. It's actually nice. Let's see if we'll run into a fish. I'm gonna start off throwing this dark colored Z-Man swing bait with a little gold flake in it, a 3/8 ounce jig head. Let me know what y'all like to throw when it's dark out. I'm gonna try this for a few minutes, and if I don't get a hit, I'm gonna switch to a lighter color. But I bought this to try it, so we'll see what happens. I don't really know where the rocks are at here, so I might just risk it, let it hit the bottom, and get close to the bottom if it can. Give it a decent little retrieve. These birds are gonna keep flying through my line. Switch colors. If I don't get a bite, I might just switch to a hard bait. We'll see. There's a fish. There's a fish, yo. There is a fish. Oh my God. I can't believe I just hooked a fish. I can't believe I just hooked a fish. I can't believe I just hooked a fish. He just pulled. He just pulled right there. It was a snook. It was a snook right there. Snook on that boy right there. Y'all saw him pull. All right. Damn, that pull was strong. He thumped it, man. Oh, there's more down there. There are more fish down there. Oh, freaking hook. Cool. He sure did. He sure did. He sure did. They're liking that bait. These fish saw their boy go up with this lure and they ain't having it. They are done. Water's dripping through too. I don't know. I'm gonna take it over to the other side in a second, try to net some bait. I just had a little pull. Somebody checked it out. Somebody check him out. So he don't know how strong this current is. There's a fish. There's a fish, y'all. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. He's gonna try to rat me. He's gonna try to rat me. We ain't doing that. We ain't. Oh, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. We're gonna walk over here. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught, y'all. Oh my God. He's trying to rat me. I gotta get around this. Oh my God, he's trying to rat me. I gotta get in the water. I gotta get in the water, y'all. I gotta fight this fish in the water. I'm fighting this fish in the water. I am not letting him break me. I am not letting this fish break me, y'all. I am not letting this fish break me. Come on. This is so intense. I think I got him out. I got him out of there. I got him out of there. He ain't done. I got him out of there. I'm out of breath, yo. I'm out of breath. He's not done. He's not done. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught. It's the biggest fish I've ever freaking caught. It's a big ass jack. It's a big ass jack. Jack I've ever caught. I guess not the biggest fish. Woo! It took me for a ride around that damn corner. Thank you. That was crazy. Man.
21. He's got to be at least 22 inches.
22 inch jack
At
probably.
least.
Easy. Woo!
My wingspan is 7 inches.
He took me for, he wrapped me around that pine line, and that's why I got in the water, because I was like, if this is a snook, I cannot lose this fish. Decent jack.
Jesus. You hook him on the side of him?
Yeah, it's in his, got him pretty damn good.
Well, the good news is it wasn't getting away. The bad news is you gotta eat a hook.
Nah, he'll be all right. I got it. There it is.
Wow.
Good fish.
Look at that. Oh, you got camera?
Good fish, yeah. Good fish.
Yeah, we'll turn to the pretty
We're
side.
gonna throw him back. Woo! Gave me a ride, buddy.
Nice job, man.
Thank you. That was fun. Should be all right. There he goes. He's gone.
Fight two battles when you're top.
Oh, that was fun, guys.
They want to get ready for the flippers.
That was fun. So I said that's the biggest fish I've ever caught. That was a lie. I've caught tarpon bigger than that, but that's the biggest jack I've ever caught, and I never felt a fish fight like that jack just fought. 20-pound braid, 7'6" red bone rod. I think I got what, 40-pound leader on there. So I should probably retie, but if I do got fray, it's up there in my braid somewhere because he got me around that pine line. The sun is on its way up, so we're gonna work our way to our little snapper spot. still a little chilly outside, but caught a snook. Well, hooked a snook, lost him on shore. You guys saw that. And then that jack, I could have swore that was the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life, but he was, I mean, 20+ inch jack. He fought, and as soon as he started to get close to the shore, I knew it was a jack because he was head shaking. I was hoping it was a big snook, but yeah, stay tuned for a little more action. We're about to hit this snapper spot, try to cook something up tonight for y'all. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Help your boy out. Birds are diving like crazy out here. Oh my gosh. And there's not a soul out here. Birds are going nuts. Gotta be fish in the water. It's not just, it's pelicans. It's not just seagulls. Big pelicans diving in the water. We are tied up with a hard bait. We got a fresh battery. This is crazy. These waves are insane. Waves are insane. This is nuts. The water is dirty as heck. There are seagulls everywhere. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. Snook. Oh! Yeah, we're gonna catch. We're gonna catch fish. We're gonna catch fish, boys. All morning we're gonna catch fish. All morning we're gonna catch fish. That was a snook right there. On my hard bait. My favorite hard bait. Treble hook. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're back in action. I hope I didn't lose a lot of footage. I haven't caught anything, but see what happens. I guarantee you if I throw on something small, shiny, I will catch tons of fish, but I don't know if they're going to be the big ones. I want to see if I can at least land a snook or something. Look, 2 snooks. They're the fish. Big old lady. Big old lady. Jumping all over the place. She came off. These are good cut bait. What? We're gonna go with that color right there. Come on, baby. Snook, let's go. Great choice of color, TA. Great choice of color, TA. Let's go. Fish, boys. I think that's like a smoking mullet color or something like that. Let's go. Good fish. Come here, buddy. Let's go. Great color. Come on, come on, come on. Don't shake. Don't shake. Oh, he's trying to take off, boys. He's not done yet. He is not done yet. He got soaking wet. I might try to put this behind any of these rocks. Oh, I just got beat up by a rock. Oh. Come here, buds. got soaked. I just got tore up. Oh, I messed up my leg. Caught the fish though. What a great color of fish, boys. Look at that snook. I think that was 3/8 ounce. That's, he ain't happy, but that's a good fish right there, boy. That is a good fish right there. I done hooked into 3 of them today. This is the first one I landed. We're gonna let him go right here. Choice of color. We are back at the first spot. There's a fish. Snook. Snook, boys. Snook, boys. I'm just gonna flip him right fast. Like that. Like that. He wasn't ready to come up, but I brought him up. Big time. Damn, that gill plate is sharp. 4 hits on the snook. 4 hits, 4 hooks today. 2 landed. That one on the Missouri. That one on the Missouri. I don't know what color it is, but not a terrible day. Whoa. Not a terrible day. Set out to catch some snook with lures this morning with plans on doing a catch and cook on snapper, but the weather ain't playing out for snapper. Fishing live bait, I don't like it to be windy because I like to put my bait where I want it and keep it where I think the fish are. So I'm not even gonna try to catch my snapper. Out by a canal on the way home, see if we can land a few more snook, make the video a little bit longer. See what happens. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh man, he got me wrapped. He's got me wrapped. Oh, he's taking off. I gotta try to work him through this piling. This is crazy. Oh, he's gonna break me. He's gonna break me. He's gonna break me. He's gonna break me. I am all up on that pile line. That's crazy. I need this fish. All right. All right. Oh. He just had me wrapped. Oh, he had me wrapped. That was a big snook. Oh my God. Big snook. I can't believe I just lost that fish. Well, I mean, I can believe it because he freaking, oh, he took off under there, man. Or he got me against the piling. Quick, too, he got me wrapped. We're gonna throw on another hard bait, see if we can catch something. There's a fish. Oh, you hawked it down, boy. You hawked it down. That's a little jack. Man, I want you, man. I want my snookaroo. Do a little jack from the canal for you. Quick little recap on today. I woke up with the intentions on catch and cook snapper. Didn't happen. Got to the beach, threw some lures, caught some snook, missed 2 of them, caught a big jack. Took her to another side of the beach, stopped at a canal, hooked into a big snook, and he broke me off. So if y'all enjoyed this video, if you do, go ahead and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. I'm really gonna try to make some good content, so go ahead and follow me and give my subscribers a quick